Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the demo account on FxPro trading application. So first of all, you need to launch your FxPro app and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page itself, you are going to see all of your accounts, whether it is a real account or a demo account that you have created. So in order to use the demo account, if you are not seeing any of the demo accounts over here, simply tap on the option of create demo account. Then you just have to select this option and press continue here in the bottom. Now over here you can select the platform, whether it is MT5 trader or MT4, and then you can select the currency, the leverage, the initial balance, and you can also select the execution method. After doing so, you just have to tap on the option of create account, and this way your demo account is going to be created, which is going to look something like this. Now once you have your demo account created, you can tap on the option of trade, and here make sure that your demo account is selected, which you can tap on this drop down menu and see how your position is going or how your demo account is looking. So when you have selected your demo account here, you can just simply select that particular instrument in which you want to basically take the trade. For example, let's say if you want to take the trade in gold, you just have to select it. Then you can just simply as per your trading analysis, press the buy and the sell option, select your lot size, and then your order will be placed, which is going to look something like this. Now if you want to set the SL and the TP, you just have to tap on the trade once or this arrow once, and then you can adjust the SL and the TP just like so. So that's how you can basically use the demo account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.